Okay. I normally love this box so far. Wah, wah. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the May 2021 test tube, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. For anyone who is new to what Testtube is, Testtube is a $29.95 bi-monthly beauty subscription, and it is from NEWBEAUTY. They have a magazine and one of the better boxes in my opinion. That is assuming you enjoy the skincare. They do have makeup, but it does tend to be a little skincare heavy. And the value is usually really good. There are several items outside the tube this month. Let me set this down, grab those items, and then after, head straight into the tube itself. Okay, what is this first item? This is from Dose & Co. Pure Collagen, Unflavored Collagen Peptides. Oh, is this something that you scoop and then put into a drink? It has safety sealed. I see the word calories. It's a supplement. You will get supplements in this subscription, which for me, that's the one thing I do not really care for. What is this? 38 calories. Really? What is this for? It says collagen is nature's answer to health and beauty. I know collagen helps your skin, your nails, your hair. I'm not my cup of tea. I'll just leave it at that. The packaging is very cute. What does this retail for? Holy crap, this is $24.99 and you get 10 ounces. Okay, well, next item. This is heavy, whatever this is. We have from David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. I will say this, that I rarely get toothpaste, but the 3 to 4 times I have, it's been in this subscription. This is a full size. It's quite large. Packaging is nice. Okay. Normally this is one of my favorite boxes. First 2 items are a big ol' wah, wah. This, how much does this cost? So this retails for $10 and it is in Herbal Citrus Peppermint. I like citrus and I like peppermint. I don't know that I want citrus and peppermint combined. That's crazy. OMG, look at this. It's like a tube turning key. Wow, that's kind of clever. This is like one of those metal or aluminum tubes put on here. That's clever. Okay. Still don't know if I'll enjoy citrusy, minty, mentally, pepperminty, whatever the flavor they said. Sounds gross and weird, but that's cool. Okay, so it comes safety sealed, and you turn the cap around, poke it. I'm going to just set this aside and move along to the next item. Okay, this is a new and different design. Normally, there's like fancier stuff. This is very streamlined. Reminds me of like the 60s. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Got more products to go. Alright, so this brand I am familiar with and so far has been kind of pricey. This is from NEWBEAUTY, the Super Hydrator. What is that? For the eyes, the face? This is 10 milliliters. And normally I would think 10 milliliters is a sample. I'm curious if this is full size because this retails for $48. Now, this brand is super expensive. It's for the face. It has hyaluronic acid. It's a moisturizer. Why is she so expensive? It is safety sealed. There's plastic around this box. I'm going to leave this intact. I swear I already have this product or something from this brand. All right. She is all I'm going to say. Next item. All right. Floss. What are you? You are in the shape of a lip product. How wrong am I going to be? Okay. So here we have a lip crayon, and I swear to God, I already own this. Why do I already own this? Looky here. This is what I own. This is what I received. Are they the same color? Well, look at that. This lip pencil from Floss retails for $18. I'm going to go see why I already own this. Okay, so they did not repeat on me. I received the same product in my February Allure box. If you're curious, you can check that out in the eye above. Okay. I normally love this box so far. Okay, next item. What is this? From Hello, we have... Is this going to be a hand sanitizer? Yes, antibacterial hand sanitizer spray. You know, a year ago, this was exciting to get. Now, not so much. It's been like a year and a half. And, you know, lots of us have gotten our vaccines. I mean, I do like it that it's a spray. It's an interesting scent. I was expecting it to be full-on alcohol scent. I don't know what the scent is. It's not bad. It hides the alcohol and hand sanitizer scent. Interesting. I don't know what it is, but okay. Let's see how much this bad boy costs. Okay, $3.99. Yes, that's if they had said that was $12, I was gonna. Okay, next item. Oh, and it's the last item. But I hope I saved the best for last. This is from Glow Skin Beauty, and I have a couple of products for them. They have nice items. What is this, though? All right, so this here is the Anti-Stress Drops. Shut up. Okay, so as crappy as the rest of the box is, this bad boy just made up for it. This retails for, are you ready for it? $125. Yeah. So, yeah, this box, usually it will have this and then other good stuff, not supplements, toothpaste, and a hand sanitizer. But these two products, $48 and $125, if I could do math, what's that, $168? $165. It made the $39.90, or no, it made the $29.95 worth it. Goodness gracious. So, I want to read more about this product. What does it do? So, it's a luxurious serum, clinically proven to not only reduce redness and sensitivity, but also boost radiance and clarity. Okay. Post-cleanse, apply 4 to 6 drops to your face and neck. You can also mix it with your favorite moisturizers, makeup products, and other go-to serums for a skin relaxing boost. Oh, anti-stress CBD drops. Okay. The CBD is making the rounds in skincare. So, yes, that will be lovely, especially at $125. Hi, monkey. Say hi. You gonna jump up on your cat condo? No, you want to come down? Okay, so I discovered one more item hiding in the lid here. And we have received this before. This is from Daily Concepts, and it's an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. And this retails for $5, which, interesting, we have received this before. Something very similar. Yeah, so, all right, let's recap everything we got in this Cookie Crazy box, which 3 minutes ago I would have said is the worst box ever. It kind of still is. However, there are a couple of products that kind of turned it around from me absolutely hating the box. Is it still a good box if you like 2 of the 8 products? When one costs $125, I think maybe yes. But overall, this is the worst box I've gotten from them, which is interesting. All right, I'm rambling. Let me recap. So we got from Daily Concept some puffy scrubbers. We got a Spritz hand sanitizer. We got a super bougie, shishi, expensive anti-stress CBD drops. We got a very large, interesting thing of toothpaste. From NEWBEAUTY, we got an expensive moisturizer. From Floss, this is a repeat, not from them, but I got this in another box. It is a lip crayon and a collagen supplement. Very interesting box. All over the place. Some very lovely, expensive skincare items. One makeup item, which is okay. I just was like, been there, done that. Weird flavored toothpaste. I do not care for receiving supplements. Yeah, so give me your thoughts on this roller coaster of a ride box. I predict I already know what you're all going to say, but at the end of the day, all I have to say is $125, which, I don't know. There's something about receiving some shishi bougie stuff that never in a million years would I pay for, that it just brings me joy. It's probably a crap product, but in my head, it's like, but it costs $125 and I own it. I don't know. Let me know if you feel the same. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And I would love for you to hit that guy right there. The little, it looks like that. It's free to you and really does help me out. Those darn YouTube algorithms. All right. Thanks, everyone.